happy and honored to be here. As always, Sheetal has never failed to deliver a beautiful, beautiful brand. And more than knowing her as a brand, I know her as a friend now, a very, very dear friend. And I feel so proud and honored of her success, the way she has grown from where she was and from where she's become. Sheetal has become a brand now. Mashallah, it's more than style. Sheetal is a brand. So I am very happy to be here, especially for the Ramzan edit, for the Eid edit, and wish you all the best, Sheetal, from all my heart.
Thank you so much. So today we have two very very beautiful, graceful women with us, and they have added all the sparkle and positivity to their inauguration by gracing us. And we have Begum Seema Ahmed and Arjuman with us today, and. You already know her. We've had Begum Seema Ahmed for our previous edits, and she is the co-founder of Amani Jewels and also a philanthropist. We all know the work she does, and we also would like to introduce you to Arjuman, who does amazing work for the community and also is a life coach and enriching us and everybody around her with her knowledge. So, how did you find this edit? And it is lovely to have you here.
First of all, thank you for having me over, Sheetal. It's truly an honor and pleasure. And thank you for helping me be the first, because this is my first inauguration of anything ever.
Wow.
So
then-
thank you for the opportunity.
It
I'm
is my
truly
pleasure, and
grateful.
I'm so glad we were the ones, that we could have you today.
But no, thank you for doing what you do. And I remember coming to one of the first style bazaars that you had,
Yeah.
and I've seen you grow. And I'm extremely proud of you. And I'm the hard work that you've put in, the way in which you've brought up the brand. And we here in Chennai, we look for opportunities to go and shop from exclusive places, and you bring everything for us from all over India under one roof.
Absolutely.
That's your USP, and we love, every time you have one, we love coming here. I said, okay, what's happening in the fashion industry, what's happening, the latest trends. And, it's always a pleasure. And I've been coming here for years now. Never miss one.
Thank you so much. So, as you heard, that we have everything under one roof, and this is your chance for your Eid, Ramzan, Ugadi, all the festive edits, and the summer is already here in Chennai. So, update your summer wardrobes only on 24th and 25th of February at Hyatt Regency Anna Saleh. Don't miss this chance to get the best under one roof. So see you all here. Please do tell a hi and happy fasting to all the people who are fasting. And I will see you all here. Thank you.